Hey everybody, it's Nick here. Welcome to Command Monthly, and today I'm going to show you how to create a virtual or digital open house landing page for the internet that you can advertise on social media, that you can send to prospective buyers. And the reason why we're doing this is because right now, virtual or digital is really key right now, considering the current situation we're in as a country. Some of us are unable to show homes. The market's slowing down because of coronavirus. So this is going to be a way for you to really stand out and think outside the box a little bit and attempt to get that business for when we're kind of out of this situation that we're in. So let me show you how to do that with the tools that Command offers you. And we're going to use a landing page in the consumer settings of Command. So I'm in consumer and I'm going to create a website. I'm going to create a new site right up here. Then I'm going to do a standalone page and I'm going to create that page. Now we have this blank canvas and I am going to start with a market snap. But you could do this in any order, but I'm just going to start with the market snap. And this is the neighborhood that the house that I'm going to feature is in. So I'm going to grab this widget. All these are different types of widgets that we're going to use. I'm going to grab this market snap widget. I'm going to bring it over to the canvas. I'm going to let go. Okay, perfect. Now, obviously, we're not selling a house in Barton Hills. We are selling a house in Celebration, Florida. So we're going to configure these widgets and new market snap. So we're going to change the header. So Celebration Market Trends, okay, or neighborhood trends, whatever you want to call it. And then I'm going to want to put the zip code for Celebration in there, okay, and then I'm going to select the neighborhood. And I think the neighborhood is Celebration. So let's, oh, there it is. Perfect. I'm going to grab that and I'm going to save and apply. And then that's instantly going to change. So here's my neighborhood trends or market trends for Celebration. And we have all the information here. Perfect. So I've done that widget. Now I'm going to click out of it and X out of here. Let's say done. Now we want to add the actual listing itself. So I'm going to grab the listing widget and that's going to come out. I'm going to bring it down here and I'm going to drop it. Perfect. So we're going to want to change this 300 Hilltop View. We're going to want to change that to the actual address of the house that we're going to be advertising. So let me go and configure widgets again. Then we're going to click listing. Then we're going to browse listings. Okay, so I'm going to wait till that pops up and I'm going to enter in the address of the actual listing here. Perfect. Let's search for it. And we're going to use this 1551 Resolute Street. It's a listing by Ken Pozek, my good friend down there in Orlando. So we're going to select that listing from the KWLS. Now all your photos show up, right? So we're going to want to save and apply this. Perfect. Okay, cool. So let's see what we have so far, guys. It starts off with Celebration Market Trends. Then it brings us down to the listing itself, and it gives us the statistics. It has the description about the property, and then we've got photos, beautiful scrolling. Those are really nice pictures. I would love to live there. And then we have more description from the MLS, and we have a map where the house is. Perfect. All right, so we're done with this. Let's back out. And now we're going to put in a video, right? We want a video of this house. So we're going to grab the video widget and we're going to bring it over here and drop it down. Okay, now we have a place to put a video. So I need to configure that video widget as well. Click video. And so let's see, the address, welcome to Celebration, Florida. That's the address. Perfect. And we want a description of this listing. So let's say, close to Disney with beautiful updates, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. You have 200 characters. You can grab some from the MLS to describe it. Do whatever you want there. Then I'm going to take the link from YouTube of the video that I have for this listing, and I'm just going to throw it right here, enter video URL. Perfect, I've done that. And then I'm going to save and apply it. So I've got my market trends, I've got the listing, and then I've got the video. Welcome to 1551 Resolute Street celebration. And then down here, close to Disney with beautiful updates. And obviously you'd do a little bit more of a description there, and you can press play on the video. It looks really awesome. So good, we're done with that. Now let's back up, click done. Now is where we're gonna wanna put our local expert. This is where we're gonna wanna feature us. So let's bring this local expert widget out, bring it down here. Perfect. Okay, now I want to configure this widget as well. So I'm going to click configure widget here, your local expert, and anything that's blank, everything should be pretty much filled in if you've done your marketing profile. So let's do Rainmaker, or actually let's do team lead, and then here you can only have 280 characters for your bio. So I'm just going to remove some things here for example purposes. And I think that's, oh, I need the link to my app. So I would go and grab the link to my app and throw that in there, and then save and apply. Perfect. And let's back out again. And I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to throw in my download my app widget. I can bring that over here like this. Okay, so that shows up, looks great. And then maybe I want a lead form if somebody wants to inquire about the property. So I'm going to bring the lead form down here. So, and I can configure the lead form widget too. I could say, would you like more info on this home? Leave me a note below. Okay, and when I update this, save and apply, then everything updates. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I've got all of my 6 widgets done, and now I'm going to publish. I would like to publish this, yes, perfect. And when I back out, here it is. Oh, you know what? I'm going to edit this one more time actually, because I didn't give it a name. So let's edit this. Celebrate. Let's call it celebration. We'll publish. And so now when I go back here, I can see it's celebration. I can also edit the URL. So I'm going to change URL, and I'll call it celebration as well. Okay. Create. And I want to show you what it looks like actually on different forms of mobile devices. So here's the page on a desktop, and then when you click up here, you can see how it looks on your iPad, and you can see how it looks on an iPhone. Now I want to publish this page and show you how this just looks all together without all the separation. So let's click it. Now it's going to open up on a new, it's going to open up for us. So let's show you how that looks. Okay, so we've got our beautiful open house digital landing page. We have the market statistics for the area. We've got the landing page itself for the single property website. Looks amazing. We can see all the photos. And we have a map, and then we've got the listing video. So when we press play.
Hey, this is Ken Posick with Keller Williams, and welcome to our newest listing at 1551 Resolute Street. This property is 2,200 square feet.
Looks good, plays really nicely. Then we've got About Me. Click to download the app here if you like, and then obviously, fill in the information if someone wants more information about it. So it's really, really great. This is a perfect opportunity to advertise this type of page on Facebook in an ad, or send it to potential buyers and sellers. When you do the ad, advertise it as a digital open house. I will send you another video about creating a digital open house Facebook ad, but I just wanted to show you guys how to make something really beautiful with the different widgets we have for landing pages that will make you stand out, that has all the information that people are looking for in terms of video, market details, and a single property website. So I hope that this helped you out a lot, and I hope that you get a lot of value from it, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for subscribing to Command